Hello friends, welcome to the Tech Listen channel. So friends, today I will talk about ASUS ROG Strix LC III series and ROG Ryujin III WB at CES. So friend, the ROG Strix LC III AIO cooler series is designed to be easy to install and it offers excellent cooling performance and a variety of models suited to different series. Meanwhile, the ROG Ryujin III WB creates a one-of-a-kind gaming PC experience for users pursuing ultimate customization and extreme cooling performance, and the ROG Strix LC III series of 240mm and 360mm coolers feature an HD design cold plate and 7th generation V2 pump armed with robust water that delivers premium cooling performance. And this cooling innovation integrates our previous design with new tuberous channel cold plate technology to provide greater thermal performance than is possible with traditional split flow cold plate, and to enhance compatibility with different system layout. This new liquid cooler series will also debut a water block that can rotate 360 degrees, and it uses magnetic attachment. And friend, the ROG Ryujin III WB is the first open loop water block in the ROG Republic of Gamers family of liquid coolers, and it's up to and with a full color 3.5-inch LCD screen that can display animated GIFs in addition to system info and custom art. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.